We use SOLIDWORKS in all our automation projects, from the first concept to the final production drawings. It gives us the reliability we need through the whole engineering phase. At Schur Automation, we specialize in building machinery for the packaging industry. Most of our systems are made for packaging retail products, but we also provide logistic systems. Together with our sister companies, we focus on making the entire packaging process efficient and adapted to what our customer needs. To get there, we use SOLIDWORKS. That's from the very first idea to the final detailed design, so we can be sure that the solutions we deliver for our customers are accurate and reliable. We've been in the packaging industry for a very long time. In fact, Schur is the world's oldest family-run packaging company that is founded all the way back in 1846. That experience that is built over generations gives us a really strong foundation for the solutions we deliver today. Of course, the market has changed a lot over the years. Customer now wants more integrated systems where several processes are automated. So the projects we work on have become bigger and more advanced. In the past, we might have delivered a single machine for a customer. Today, we provide complete solutions. That means everything from the packaging design to full automated lines that cover the entire process. We use SOLIDWORKS in all our automation projects, from the first concept to the final production drawings. It gives us the reliability we need through the whole engineering phase. Thanks to the tools available in SOLIDWORKS, we can make our solutions smarter and more cost-efficient. One of the big advantages is that we can build complete assemblies in 3D. Our machines often include a lot of moving parts, and with SOLIDWORKS, we can see how everything interacts early in the design process. That means we can catch risks before production and reduce the number of prototypes we need. We are also challenged on both price and delivery time. That's where sheet metal tools in SOLIDWORKS really helps. With sheet metal tools, we can design parts the way they're actually being manufactured. We can unfold them into flat patterns, optimize the material use, and send production-ready files straight to the workshop. That saves us time, cuts down on waste, and keeps cost under control. On the other hand, SOLIDWORKS PDM keeps our data structured and up-to-date, so our engineers can focus on designing instead of handling files. We have great support from PLM Group. They help us get the most out of the tools and optimize how we work as engineers.
We have worked closely with PLM Group since 2004. They help us with both big and small things in how we work with SOLIDWORKS. They listen to us and we always have a good talk with them.
Whenever challenges comes up, it's good to know that we have a partner we can turn to for that extra technical backup. It really makes a big difference. Overall, SOLIDWORKS helps us communicate better with our customers. It can be hard to explain a complex machine just with words, but when we visualize their solutions in 3D, it becomes real. They get a much clearer idea on what they'll receive and how it fits into their production. Our focus is really on helping customers stay competitive in the packaging industry that's changing fast. We believe that with the tools we have available today, we can keep improving and making automation smarter for our customers. And right now, there's a huge focus on sustainability and environmentally friendly packaging. That keeps pushing us to find new and smarter solutions. We don't see limitations, but instead we see opportunities to innovate and adapt.